Are you looking for a home that has it all? A sophisticated floor plan, more than 3,000 square feet, cul-de-sac location, RV parking, and an entertainer's backyard with magnificent views. Welcome to 3417 Hazelnut. I'm Larry Watson with Larry Watson Homes at RE/MAX, and I want to show you this home. Come on in, let's take a look around. Welcome to this magnificent home. Have a look around. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This home is located at 3417 Hazelnut Court, Simi Valley, 93065. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 3,000 square feet of sophisticated living space, RV parking, cul-de-sac location, and this wonderful entertainer's backyard with magnificent views. For more information or a private tour, feel free to give me a call. The number is 805-660-8219. I'm never too busy to take your call. Hashtag Larry Watson Homes. Find me everywhere on the internet. And remember, strategy matters, experience matters, but you matter most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.